हर फैमिली ट्रिप से पहले एक होप होती है कि सब कुछ स्मूथ जाए, बच्चे फ़न कर लें और हम पेरेंट्स भी थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स कर लें। बस इसी होप के साथ हम निकल पड़े सिंगापुर। पीपल टोल्ड मी इट इज़ सेफ, क्लीन एंड परफेक्ट फॉर किड्स, पर जो हमने एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस किया वो तो किसी ने बताया ही नहीं था। As soon as we landed, there was this calmness in the air, no shouting, no chaos. My kid comes up to me and says, "Mama, क्या ये waterfall airport में है?" And I said, "That's just Singapore for you." Gardens by the Bay was our first stop, and as soon as we entered the Cloud Forest Dome, my daughter whispered, "Papa, ये तो बिल्कुल Disney movie जैसा लग रहा है." And I felt the same. It was beautiful, cool, misty waterfall indoor. It looked like a jungle straight out of a fairy tale. As we stepped out, Marina Bay opened up, modern, shiny, alive. We hopped on to Segway and it was not an ordinary ride. It was hands down the coolest way to explore the city. The breeze by the face, the bay beside us, and city buzzing in the background quietly. On day 2, we went to Ice Cream Museum, and it wasn't just about colorful walls and desserts, it was actually childhood wrapped in pink. My usually shy daughter was having fun, dancing, throwing fake cherries in the pool, and that's when it hit me. Children just need permission to be silly. Later that night, at the night safari, my son saw a tiger and he was like, "Mama, क्या मैं उस पे बैठ सकता हूँ?" And I was like, "What?" That's when I had to hold his hand tightly. But you know what? It was one of those rare experiences where there was excitement, awe, and connection with nature. And as a parent, when your kids feel something like that, it truly feels magical. And here comes the most special part. Day 3 and day 4 were all about the Genting Dream Cruise, and my kids had not experienced something like that before. No schedule, no trains to catch, no metros, just an open sea and sounds of waves. That evening, we were just watching the sunset by the deck, and it looked surreal. And actually तब लग रहा था हमारी वेकेशन अब शुरू हुई है. It was the next day when we actually explored the cruise properly. There were shows, mini golf, breakfast by the sea. And that day, me and my husband played the air hockey the whole day. And guess what? He lost in every match. But it was so much fun. After our mid-vacation break, now it was time for Sentosa. Sentosa feels like a theme park, beach resorts, even just checking into the hotel felt so exciting. We tried the Skyline Luge, and watching your kids shout like, "Hey dad, look at me. Hey mom, look at me." That's pure gold. The activity was safe, easy, and thrilling enough to make your kids feel independent. We had a lot of fun that day. In the evening, we sat by the beach to watch Wings of Time, and as the fireworks lit up the sky, it was a view to watch. I leaned into my husband and I said, I do not want this day to end, and neither did he. This was the big day. We were going to the Universal Studios. And as soon as we entered the studios, my son was dragging me towards a Jurassic Park ride, and my husband was being dragged by my daughter to a Transformer show. When we tried the Jurassic Park ride, as soon as the raft dropped down, my son was like, "ये तो मम्मी के साथ दोबारा करना पड़ेगा." It was something. And honestly, that was just not a theme park. It was a place where we bonded, none like other. It was not parents versus kids. It was a team that shared experiences. It was the last day, and just when we thought everything was over, Singapore had one last surprise for us: Jewel Changi Airport. The rain vortex was absolutely stunning. We took a lot of family selfies there, and the Lego store gave us an experience to build our own souvenirs. It did not feel like we were leaving Singapore because we have tons of good memories to cherish forever.